as we wrap up another year that will definitely make it into the history books, with homes appreciating in values in double digits, and with bidding wars on so many homes, and with less than 1 month's inventory of supply of homes. Wow, 2021 is definitely crazy and like none that I've seen in 25 years in real estate. So what do I expect in 2022? Well, today I'm going to provide a little insight, a little thought, and some ideas of what to expect in the next 12 months. Now keep in mind, no one has a crystal ball or can predict the future. However, we learn each and every day, we watch factors, trends, and this helps myself and all of us try to keep you educated and knowing what's coming up. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'm Lisa McBride with Sarasota Neighborhood Experts and Keller Williams. I share all kinds of information about the wonderful neighborhoods in our area here in Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch. But more importantly, I share information about what it's like to live, work, and play in this beautiful area. Now, whether you're making a move across country or across town, I think it's really important to know what's going on. If I can be of any help, just give me a call. I love hearing from you and helping so many people with their real estate needs. Now, as we get started, I want to give a little perspective of what 2021 was actually like for myself and my clients. In 2021, 28% of my sales were actually sold at exactly list price, full price. 34% of my sales were above list price, and a whopping 38% were actually sold for less than full price. So keep in mind, not every home is selling for full price or higher. And many of my transactions were financed buyers. So you definitely don't have to be a cash buyer in this market either. There's a lot of things that we can do to make your offer really, really good. Give me a call and I'm here to help. So what can we expect in 2022? Well, first, it is predicted that Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch communities will continue to see a large population growth. Lakewood Ranch is the #1 selling multi-generational community in the United States, and it doesn't take much to drive around this area and you will see that builders are working diligently to try to keep up. Now, if you have not seen any of my new construction videos, be sure to check this out. With more and more people moving from very large metropolitan areas such as Miami, Chicago, New York, and a number of California cities, we're getting a lot of calls from California buyers. Home buyers are starting to crave a little bit more relaxed lifestyle, and they're finding it here on the Florida Gulf Coast. Another factor that is really impacting our strong demand, and which will impact our strong demand in 2022, is our international buyers are going to be back as the travel bans have lifted. I've already started meeting with people from all over the world again, and it's great to see them back. Now, aside from homeowners from major metropolitan areas or our international buyers, one key element that is definitely spurring this hot market is the institutional buyers that are investing in single-family real estate. With high demand and finding more and more families moving to Florida, large investment companies have followed the trends and know that investing in homes that are very conducive to families is a great way to invest money. Now, I do work with a number of homeowners that have every intention to find their dream home or retirement home, but keep in mind, investors are taking advantage of the high demand for rentals and low interest rates and are building large portfolios of wealth in residential real estate. Are you considering purchasing an investment property? If so, there are a number of factors to consider here in the area, such as rental restrictions, insurance, other fees. Please give me a call because investing in real estate right now is a great opportunity. Even though prices are high, it's still a good investment. Another factor is mortgage rates. Although still incredibly low, they are predicted to rise just a bit in 2022. Now, will this slow demand down for buyers? I don't believe this will be enough to stop buyers from wanting to purchase a home, as they're really not predicted to go above 4%. And this is an incredibly low interest rate. What this might do is help many move-up buyers that have been watching and waiting to see what will happen consider taking that next leap into maybe a larger home, as they've watched the equity in their home really grown over the last 12 to 24 months. And so now they may be thinking it's time for a little bit larger. And this may actually help us a bit, as it may free up some of that starter homes or lower price points. Now, I've read all the articles like everyone else that sales are slowing and that prices are leveling off. This may be happening in some parts of Florida or nationwide, but in this area, it really really hasn't started to happen. In the past 12 months, our inventory is actually down 50%. Now, typically January is the month with the largest amount of homes listed, so I'll be interested to see how that might change here in the next month or two. Now, in real estate, a balanced market is 6 months of inventory, and today we have less than 1 month of inventory. So, which again reiterates the fact that we are not going to see a balanced market for some time. Real estate is slow to react, and good market or bad market, it can take years to level off. If you're sitting back hoping that prices will drop in 2022, that's not going to happen. Currently, homes in Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch are actually appreciating 2.5% per month. This used to be what we saw per year. Yes, we could see this change and even level off, but we are not going to see home prices quickly drop. There's just simply not enough homes on the market. The next 12 months, we're going to stay busy, and perhaps we're going to stop seeing that appreciation growth in about the third or fourth quarter of 2022. We know things are going to change. We just don't know when, and it definitely won't be suddenly. No one has ever been able to predict the top of the market or the bottom of the market. So if you would like more information about housing in our area, please reach out and let me know how I can be of help. I really appreciate you watching, and until next time, take care.